they're hiring you because they like you and your personality. You must have convinced them on certain levels about your knowledge and all that. So pick up at least 5 books from the present times, and maybe 2 heavy books of the best finance and accounts people and stuff, and you must appear sharper and not dumb. So this is where I'm coming from, that just reading the same kind of books, being in the same circle, being too focused in the same career, being too much in the same work areas and stuff, it kind of blocks your brain off, and you start appearing like dumb idiots and stuff. So how do you break the molds? I've already shared that. You got to have an expansive mindset, you got to evolve, you got to learn every day, you got to kind of improvise, you kind of have to work on your personality, get new books, get new podcasts, get new authors, YouTubes. Avoid wasting your time watching just movies and stuff. If you want to watch movies which are kind of going to inspire you and stuff, which are related around your work and all that. So hope this helps, and I'm sure it's going to kind of be of some use to you. The point is, you have to kind of find books, or you have to tune into information which is going to take you on a voyage of self-discovery. You have to be able to discover yourself as a person, explore different sides to you. You may think that, I will not be able to do certain things, or I will not enjoy a certain topic. But the point is, it's happened so many times to me. I thought global business management is not going to be my cup of tea. I can't go beyond $1 million or $1 billion. But when I started reading $1 trillion